Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto E40 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first let's check on how many speakers this phone have. So on the top there's no speaker, only phone call speaker right here. Now let's check the bottom. It has one speaker right here. On the right side there's no speaker, and on the left side there's also no speaker. On the back also not a sign of a speaker. So now to determine if it's a mono or stereo speaker, we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that means it's a mono speaker. So let's play music. So clearly sound is coming from only bottom speaker, and that means it's a mono speaker and not the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.